Hey, it's Angeline here. Do you have tons of sequins lying around? Well, if you do, keep on watching because I'm going to show you how to create a simple sequins border. So first, I already stamped and colored this cute bunny from Unity Stamp, and I'm grabbing some sequins here and some adhesive. What you want to do is to pour out all the sequins onto some paper so it's easier to grab. Then put the adhesive where you want your border to be. Here I'm just creating a partial border for the bottom and top of my card. And I'm grabbing a pair of tweezers here to assist me in grabbing all the sequins and placing them onto where my adhesive is. If you're worried on how to coordinate the colors of your sequins, all you need to do is just grab the sets of sequin packs that many companies do offer right now, so you don't have to scratch your head thinking on how to coordinate them. All you got to do is just pour it out and adhere them down. So here is how my finished card looks like. I hope you enjoyed this quick little technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!